wanted to start married life the same way that we started our lives together. It was March 24th, 2012, and in the South Stand at Hong Kong's Rugby Sevens, I dressed as what was lovingly, I think, referred to later as a BDSM Batman outfit. Although I do often think back to that day and think how my life might have been different if I didn't look so fantastic in leather. Sense of play and fun is an enormous part of why she and I bonded in the first place. She is utterly hilarious and is never too anxious, stressed or nervous to crack a joke at her, or admittedly my, expense. No one makes me smile and laugh like Steph does.
I really do. Every day when I wake up next to Chris, I feel like the luckiest woman in the whole world. Thank you for everything we've had so far, and I cannot wait for this next journey together. I love you so much, and thank you. I am the proudest woman in the world to be your wife today.
Steph, you are the most universally adored person I have ever met.